Both the trunk and deck lid switches are in an assembly on the driver's side inner sill plate indicated by the red arrow. You will need to remove the sill plate to change them out. There are two small rubber plugs that you will remove, indicated by red arrows. Then insert a long 5mm Allen into the holes and unscrew the Allen screws. You will be doing this blind. You do not need to remove the Allen screws, just loosen them. Note that the seat has been removed for photographic purposes only. You do not need to remove the seat. Use a trim removal tool and starting at one end, lift the plate away from the vehicle, red arrow. Work your way from one end to the other. Lift the sill plate up. Here you can see the 6 clips that sit into the openings in the body, red arrow. You can also see the 2 brackets that the 5mm Allen screws sit in, blue arrows. Disconnect the wiring harness for the trunk and deck lid, red arrow, by squeezing in on the tab on the connector and separating them. This image shows the 2 5mm Allen screws and how they sit in the body, red arrows. Carefully pry the 4 clips that hold the assembly in place back, red arrows. Slide the switch out through the top. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.